I stayed up till 1 last night reading this book called Amma Mia by Isha Diol and Isha Diol Thaktani, and it is such a cute book. I mean, if you are a young mom and who is like very keen to know about, generally as a young mom, yeah, you're only sitting and finding recipes and trying to feed your kid and all of that. So Amma Mia is a book I can't recommend enough, because it's like, when you are reading this book, you get an insight into Isha Diol's childhood, about how Hema Malini brought her up, and the kind of food they ate, the environment. It's such a immersive experience. This I very rarely use the term immersive experience, but when you read this book, you realize that it it is a book that every young mom should read. So try and get it, people. It's on Amazon. It's called Amma Mia, and it's stories, advice, and recipes from one mother to another. Just beautiful, amazing writing, and very arresting. Like, once you start reading, you want to keep reading. So Amma Mia it is. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.